Hello everyone, this is Shreyansh, and in this video I'm going to tell you about my project named Hangman, which is based on Python programming language. So let's get started. So what Hangman is all about? It is simply a letter guessing game in which you will be given a word and you have to guess all the letter of the word. Uh, Here are the some rules of the game. You will have 50 points if you know the letter, and if you will lose 25 points if you guess the wrong letter, and you have total of 5 guesses. If you guess the word, if you guess all the letter of the word correctly, then you won the game. You will won the game. And if you are not able to guess the word at the end of the game, then you will be lose or you will be hanged. So that's why the name of the game is Hangman. In the gameplay, basically the program first picks up a random word from the set of library which I have put it into my program. So then you have to it will show you the length of the word and some dashes. So you have to fill all the dashes with the letter you guess. If you are if letter does not appear in the word, the user is accused of an wrong guess, as I told you earlier. So let me show you how it works. Yeah, so here it is. This is the code and I'm gonna run it. Yeah, here is the output, Hangman, and these are the rules, and our word has 30 letters. So yeah, these are the list of words. These are the set of library which I have been talking about earlier. So our word has 13 letter. It is so let I will be as in is not present in the word. A is counted 2 times. As you can see, the dash is replaced by the letter A. E is not in the word. N is counted 1 time. S, oh, I have used this letter before. This is a warning. I will show you my code. I, T, E. Okay. I have only 2 guesses remaining. J, R. So as you can see, a hangman, and I lose, and this is my score. Please enter for quit. Now let me show you my code. Yeah, import random. The whole program is depend on this library random, because I have used many methods from the random library. As you can see here, random does choice. What is does is it select a random word from this list, and which we have to guess in our output. This is a empty list, and append is a method of list, and this is for loop. all these things are the basics of Python. This is what Hangman is we are getting in the output. And now what it is, now suppose if I have typed something else, what if it is not a letter, so what it will show, it will show us a warning like this is, if x in wrong word, if I have typed 1 or 2, then it is not a letter, so it will show us a warning, it's not even a letter. And these are some warnings, you use this letter before, so these are here the score is counting. And these are sleep function. I have also imported time library, and from which I have imported the sleep function. That's why we are getting some pause on the output screen. Now let me run my program again. Our word has 9 letters. A is one time, R, I, E, G, I, T, D. So I lose again and my score is 25. So this game is, I have made this game by using only basics of Python. There is no tkinter, tkinter library and all. If you want to have the code, you can have it from my video. Okay, thank you.
Hello.
As I have already showed you my project, which is totally based on Python.
Yeah.
And so, how did you feel about my game?
Actually, on the scale of 1 to 10, if I had to rate your game, then it would be 8 up to 8, because you have used a very trending technology, which is Python 3. I guess you have used Python 3.0, and second of all, because Python 3 is very trending and very fast. It has a very good library, as far as I know. And but basically most of the game are developed in C#. So this your project has a very innovative kind of thing which it has on it. So basically it's a very popular game, as Hangman has been developed for before earlier also, but this particular one was very interesting to me.
So would you like to recommend it to your friends?
Yeah, absolutely, because your game, as you said, it has like 5 or 4 levels, 5 or 4 chances,
yes.
As usual Hangman has. So I would totally recommend it for anyone who is interested enough.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Hello Varun.
Hello.
As I have already showed you my project, my game Hangman, which is based on Python.
Yeah.
So how did you feel about my project?
So what I think about your game is, your game has something different from other games. Like you told me about that it is based on Python. So what I felt that the game is basically more intended toward the luck, and the game has many different qualities, like which I have not seen in any other game. So your game has some qualities which other games don't have. And you've already told me about the logic, and you have already showed me the logic, and you have very nicely used the random logic of Python. So the game is seriously a contender to all other games in the market.
So would you like to recommend to your friends?
Definitely, I would recommend it to all of my friends, and I will see to it that they all also use these games.